Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Smartsheet CRM for tracking opportunities, full guide step by step clearly. To install Smartsheet CRM for tracking opportunities, start by logging into your Smartsheet account. If you don't have an account, visit the Smartsheet website and sign up. Once logged in, navigate to the Smartsheet dashboard. Look for the Solutions tab in the top menu bar. Click on Solutions to reveal a drop-down menu. Select CRM from the available options. You will be directed to the Smartsheet CRM page. Here, you can explore the features and benefits of the CRM. To proceed with the installation, click on the Start Free Trial or Get Started button. Follow the prompts to set up your trial account if necessary. Once your CRM setup is initiated, you will be directed to a template gallery. Browse through the available templates designed for opportunity tracking. Select a template that best fits your business needs. Click on the chosen template to preview it. Then, click on the Use Template button to create a new sheet. You can rename this sheet to something relevant to your opportunity tracking. After renaming, click Create to open your new sheet. Now, customize the template to fit your specific requirements. Add or modify columns to capture relevant opportunities information, like status, value, and closing date. Adjust the layout and design as needed for clarity and ease of use. Next, invite team members to collaborate on your CRM sheet. Click on the Share button in the top right corner. Enter the email addresses of your team members and choose their permission levels. Once you have invited your team, set up dashboards for better visibility. Navigate to the Home tab and click on Create, then select Dashboard. Give your dashboard a name that reflects its purpose. Use widgets to display key metrics such as total opportunities, pipeline stages, and revenue forecasts. Configure each widget by linking it to your opportunity tracking sheet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.